what's crazy is the tenants only paid first and last month's rent. That is it. Working with people like us who take your property with your permission, put it on Airbnb is so valuable because we are going to pay you every single month on time because our business depends on it. And on top of all that, we keep it clean. Just like Vanilla Trail, we're going to take this place that looks like a pig and we're going to do more than put lipstick on this thing, and it's going to look immaculate. All right, everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this episode, we are going to check out Sunflower. But before we dive in, I want you guys to do a couple of things. I want you to like this video and subscribe to the channel. So I have got the keys to Sunflower now. I've actually had them for a little bit, but I've been so busy getting Vanilla Trail and Brighton up off the ground that I've yet to really have a chance to get into Sunflower. So I just left Brighton and it is ready to go. I actually listed it on Airbnb last night. And so I grabbed some things from there that were extra, like some art and a garbage can, stuff like that. And I'm taking it over to Sunflower and I'm going to show you guys Sunflower without any furniture in there. Okay, so I'm now at Sunflower. I had to wait for the bridge to go up, but I'm here and let's check it out. Okay, well, I'm not sure who put these curtains up, but those are going to be coming down. Or this rug here. But here's the front hallway. My crew bringing in some stuff. Hello. She's YouTube famous. Look at the size of these doors. They're massive. They're like 8-foot doors, 9-foot doors. I don't know, but they're huge. Here we go. Here's the bathroom on the main floor. Powder room. Okay. Looks good. Coming into this room. So I was hoping that these LED lights that are here were going to be taken away, but they aren't. So I'm probably going to leave them. And this here will be like vanilla, where it will be like a games room. And so echoey, hello. Somebody left a freaking bun on top of the fridge. Like, who does that? Like, throw your bun in the garbage. Anyway, here is the kitchen area, and pretty nice. I think we have some cleanup to do on that fridge, but it's got ice and water. I like that. Nice and spacious. If you can kind of see it, it's got some nice open concept vibe. So we'll put a nice big dining room table here. And I got to figure out what I'm going to do in this room. I don't know yet. I don't know if I'll put a couch and then a couch on that wall and then TV on this wall, kind of like, you know, some sort of setup that we have at Vanilla, or maybe I'll do like a sectional facing this way and then make this the main centerpiece wall. I'm not sure yet. We'll figure it out, but it's looking pretty good. I also have somebody that's coming in to fix up the walls here. Just a little story about this one. This is why, if you're a landlord and you're watching this is why you should hire people like me to do Airbnb at your house. Is because of this story right here. So this house that I'm in right now had tenants in it before. It's a brand new house. The owners of this house brought tenants in. And what's crazy is the tenants only paid first and last month's rent. That is it. They didn't pay anything else. And they were in this house for 11 months. And so the landlord literally had to foot the bill for the whole time that those people were here, and they were going through litigation trying to get those people out of the house. So that's why working with people like us who take your property with your permission, put it on Airbnb is so valuable because we are going to pay you every single month. All right. On time because our business depends on it. And on top of all that, we keep it clean. We have cleaners that are coming in 2 or 3 times a week. Anyway, I'm done with the plug. Let's get back to the house. Okay, so we're going to go upstairs. Jeanette's leading the way, I guess. So going up here. Yeah, it's a big house. 4-bedroom house with a upstairs laundry, which we're going to go into first. Yeah, these ones work, I promise. It's not like Vanilla Trail. But it's a nice laundry room. It's nice. I don't need to get curtains for this room. I'm not even going to bother. So, got a closet up here. And then, so first bedroom. Yeah, it's not looking too bad. The master's down that way. So the first bedroom comes with a Jack and Jill, which is good. So we have Jack and Jill over here. And man, there is some work to do on these walls. My goodness. So it's a good sized room, you know, and I think it's big enough that we can get a queen size bed in here. And so we will. And then I know it's a little bit dark, guys. I apologize, but that's the way it is when you first start. One of my contractors coming in, and these walls were full of like decorations. And so whatever this is, all this glittery stuff, but this was literally all over these walls. And so we pulled them off, and now we're just patching them up and cleaning it up. So anyway, this is room number 3. It's got its own private bath and its own walk-in closet. Look at this. How sweet is that? Okay. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Don't know why they have a lock on the door, but maybe they'll tell you sometimes the things people do. But we can definitely get a queen in here, no problem. And it's going to look great. Okay. Now we get to the master. Ooh, watch these. Look at these doors. Nice. Ooh, bam, bam. Okay, let's check it out. So we come to the master. Somebody vacuumed it, which is nice. Looks freshly vacuumed. I like that. And we have a closet here. And we also have a closet over this way as well. So we have 2 nice big closets. So that's going to be fun to work with. The baseboard is hideous, nice and messy. You can tell we got lots of paint getting ready to go on the walls here. And so we're taking care of that. And then we come into the master bathroom. And here it is. So it's looking really good. We're excited about this place. And so, yeah, we got a lot of work to do. Got to take some of this stuff off the windows. So this is Sunflower. This one's needs a little bit of TLC, as you can tell. But just like Vanilla Trail, we're going to take this place that looks like a pig, and we're going to do more than put lipstick on this thing, and it's going to look immaculate. All right, we're going to get ready to go. But I do like coming down the stairs. Look how nice that window is. Absolutely gorgeous. So nice. Well, I'm excited. I'm excited to see what we're going to do with this place. I know we're going to transform it into something amazing. And so on this property, my goal is to furnish it for $10,000. I know that sounds crazy. So usually it costs us about $20,000 to furnish one of these places. I'm going to try and do it for 10. And we'll see what happens. But this time I'm going to use Facebook Marketplace. I am going to go dirt cheap and see if it can be done. Because if it can, I can save $10,000. And guess what? That means that I can profit faster. There is going to be some things that obviously I have to pay for, like utensils and stuff that I'll just buy on Amazon. But outside of that, I'm going to try my hardest to keep this one at a really good budget and see if I can do it. And if I can, then guess what? Rinse, repeat. Anyways, that's it for this episode. If you like what we're doing, if you want to know more about how we are growing and scaling our short-term rental business, then follow us here. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe and even turn on your notifications, because we do try to put out a piece of content every single week. But that's it, guys. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.